General knowledge questions by as per competitions. Poorly nourished lakes are known as oligotrophic, eutrophic, mesotrophic, hypereutrophic. It's called oligotrophic. Oligotrophic means poorly nourished lakes. Eutrophic means well nourished lakes. Mesotrophic means moderate amount of dissolved nutrients in lakes. Hypereutrophic means highly supply of nutrients which leads to excess plant and algal growth in lakes. Elements required by plants in large quantity is A. Calcium, B. Phosphorus, C. Sulfur, D. Nitrogen. The answer is nitrogen. There are 16 elements essential to growth of plants which are supplied by air and water, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Macronutrients nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The trick is NPK. Nitrogen, N is nitrogen, P is phosphorus, K is potassium. Secondary nutrients sulfur, calcium and magnesium. The trick is CAM. S is sulfur, Ca is calcium, M is magnesium. Micronutrients boron, chlorine, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum and zinc. Highest level of biotic interaction is mutualism, B. predation, C. parasitism, D. amensalism. The answer is predation. Types of biotic interaction. 1. Mutualism. Both species benefits in mutualism. Commensalism. One species benefits and other is unaffected. Competition. Both species get harmed by interaction. Predation and parasitism. One species benefit and other harmed. Amensalism. One species harmed and other is unaffected. Neutralism. No net benefit or harm to either species. The main source of carbon monoxide in atmosphere is A. Conversion of limestone to cement, B. Decomposition of dead organic matter, C. Respiration and burning of fossil fuels, D. Incomplete burning of carbon containing compounds. The answer is D. Incomplete burning of carbon containing compounds. When combustion of carbon is incomplete, that is, there is a limited supply of air, only half as much oxygen add to the carbon. Instead of forming carbon dioxide, it forms carbon monoxide, CO. Which are three indigenous silkworms of India? A. Eel, Muga and carp, B. Tusser, mullet and gyr, C. Muga, eel and gyr, D. Muga, eri and tusser. The answer is D. Muga, eri and tusser. Central point in Ashoka's Dharma was A. Loyalty to king, B. Peace and non-violence, C. Respect to elders, D. Religious toleration. The answer is peace and non-violence. The main principles of Ashoka Dhamma. People should live in peace and harmony. Everyone should practice the principles of Ahimsa, that is non-violence and non-injury to all living beings. People should love one another and display respect and tolerance towards other religious faiths. Rice cultivation is associated with which of the following Harappan sites? A. Kalibangan, B. Kodiji, C. Lothal, D. Harappa. The answer is Lothal. Kalibangan. Oldest plowed fields, 7 altars, fire altars in a row were found. Kodiji. Indus site which was destroyed by fire. Statues of bull and mother goddess were found in Kodiji. Lothal. Port town of Indus civilization. Rice husk was discovered. Harappa. Largest IVC site. Large granaries were found. Male dancing figure of Nataraja was also found in Harappa. deepest mines in India? Raniganj, B. Khetri, C. Kolar, D. Jharia. Answer is C. Kolar. Raniganj, coal mines located in West Bengal and Jharkhand. Khetri, copper mines owned by Hindustan Copper Limited, which is a PSU under Government of India, located in Rajasthan. Kolar, gold mines located in Karnataka. Jharia, coal mines located in Jharkhand. Rihand project is located in the state of A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Bihar. The answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Rihand Dam is also known as Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar, which is across the river Rihand, which is a tributary of river Son. It is located in Sonabhadra district of Uttar Pradesh, which lies near the borders of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The main purpose of the project is to generate hydroelectricity. When a lead storage battery is discharged, A. SO2 is evolved, B. Lead is formed, C. Lead sulfate is formed, D. Sulfuric acid is formed. The answer is C. Lead sulfate is formed. Lead sulfate formula PbSO4. A lead storage battery, also known as lead acid battery, is the oldest type of rechargeable battery and one of the most common energy storage device. These batteries were invented in 1859 by French physicist Gaston Plante and they are still used in variety of applications. Which of the following books was known as Bible of Bengali Patriotism? A. Geetanjali, B. Anandamath, C. Devadas, D. Gora. The answer is B. Anandamath. Anandamath, a famous Bengali novel, was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882. National song Vande Mataram has been taken from Anandamath. The poem was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. Vande Mataram was adopted on January 24, 1950. Geetanjali was written by Rabindranath Tagore. He is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in 1913. River Indravati originates from the district A. Koraput district, Odisha, B. Rajput, Chhattisgarh, C. Kalahandi, Odisha, D. Cuttack in Odisha. The answer is Kalahandi, Odisha. River Indravati is one of the tributaries of river Godavari. Other rivers that flow in Odisha: Mahanadi, Brahmani, Baitarini, Subarnarekha, Rishikulya, Vamsadhara, Nagavali. Astigmatism for human eye can be removed by using A. Convex lens, B. Concave lens, C. Cylindrical lens, D. Prismatic lens. The answer is C. Cylindrical lens. Astigmatism is a type of refractive error in which the eye does not focus light evenly on the retina. This results in distorted or blurred vision at any distance. People of all ages can be affected by astigmatism. If it occurs in early life, it can later result in amblyphobia, which is also called lazy eye. In this case, brain fails to process inputs from one eye. When a ray of light enters a glass slab from air, A. its wavelength increases, B. its wavelength decreases, C. its frequency increases, D. neither its wavelength nor its frequency changes. The answer is B. its wavelength decreases. Wavelength is decreased by a factor called refractive index of the medium. The refractive index of air with respect to glass is 2/3. Ilkal sarees are associated with which states? A. Odisha, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. The answer is C. Karnataka. Ilkal saree takes its name from the town of Ilkal in Bagalkot district of Karnataka state, India. These handloom sarees have a distinctive pattern and are usually made from cotton. Parvi dance is associated with which tribe? A. Kokna, B. Bil, C. Gond, D. Sangma. The answer is A. Kokna. Parvi Nach is a dance performed by the Kokna tribe in the hilly regions of northwest Maharashtra and adjoining region of Gujarat in India. The dance is also known as Tarfa Nach because the music is played using wind instruments made of dried gourd. Other famous folk dances of Maharashtra are Lavani, Tamasha, Koli, etc. Nongkrem festival is associated with A. Kasis, B. Jaintias, C. Garos, D. Gonds. The answer is Kasis. Nongkrem Dance Festival is an annual festival of the Kasi tribe in Meghalaya. On which date is Earth Day celebrated? A. April 21, B. April 22, C. April 23, D. April 24. The answer is B. April 22. Some of the important days in April to remember. April 13, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. April 21, Civil Services Day. April 23, World Book Day. April 24, National Panchayat Day. April 25, World Malaria Day. The sequence of Great Lakes of USA from east to west is C. Ontario, Erie, Huron, Michigan, Superior. Trick to remember Great Lakes of USA. Holmes, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie and Superior. The most abundant gas emitted from volcanoes is A. Water vapor, B. Helium, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Carbon dioxide. The answer is A. Water vapor. Other emitted gases include carbon dioxide CO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, hydrogen sulfide H2S, carbon monoxide CO, hydrogen chloride HCl and hydrogen fluoride HF. The primary greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. Thank you for watching.